Welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to write some VBA code that will change everything that you select either to uppercase or back to lowercase. And I think this, while it's a simple piece of code, could be very useful in formatting a large spreadsheet that you've done, or it could be used for changing a spreadsheet you've received from someone else where they have either put everything in uppercase and you want to change it to lowercase, or the other way around. But whatever you might use it for, this is the code that you can use to do this. Okay, go to the Visual Basic and put in a new module. Insert module. Okay, so let's call it change to uppercase. Now, I realize that you've got function formulas where you're able to say equals upper bracket, then take the cell next to it and drag it down, and that'll give you the uppercase, or the same with lowercase. The only advantage this has is that you won't have to do it in the next cell and do a few steps. You can highlight the whole area you want to change, run the macro, it changes everything to the case you want, and that's the end of the process. Okay, so sub change to uppercase, open and close brackets. Now we'll define the dimensions. Dimension, the range that we're concerned with. Okay, so it's going to be for the range that's in the selected cells. And it's only going to be for text. It's not going to change cells where you have a formula in them. So to make sure this is the case, we'll put if range has formula equals false. Then Rng.Value equals uppercase. Range.Value. That should work, and then we'll finish it off. And if next range. Okay. Now let's put in a bunch of words. Banana. We'll put it all in lowercase. Banana, apple, orange, watermelon, peach, kiwi fruit, cucumber, carrot, broccoli. Okay, we'll select the cells that we're concerned with. Let's run the macro and see if it works. There you go. That's how you can write a macro to change it from lowercase to uppercase. Now stay with me and I'll show you what you would put in if you were going to do it the other way around. Change it from uppercase back to lowercase. So we'll go back to Visual Basic. Let's put in a new module. Call it Change to Lowercase. Now what we can do, since we've already written the uppercase formula here, is copy and paste it, and we'll just change that part. And yeah, there it is. So I hope that you found this useful, and I'm going to put the code in the text at the bottom of the video, so if you want to copy and paste it, that's where it is.